did you start in multifamily? I know you alluded to it a little bit, but let's dissect it a little bit more. How did you start in multifamily?
Well, I actually started on the residential real estate side. My brother and I were building houses here in Kansas City, and we were building spec houses, and we'd build it. We would wait for it to sell, and we'd build another and build another. And then the market started to melt down. We started to see houses stay on the market longer and longer. And I thought, I really loved the building aspect of it, but I really disliked that I couldn't make any money until it sold. And depending on how long it stayed on the market, it determined what we made. And every time we sold a property, we had to start over in the business from scratch. So there was no residual income part of that. So I thought there's got to be a better way. And we started looking into different opportunities and ended up in commercial real estate, and then finally into some retail and office, and then finally into multifamily, where we've been ever since.
Ever since. Awesome.
Yeah.
Wow. So the scalability was much better in the multifamily aspect of things.
Yes. Well, it was so much more predictable on the income. So we could make money when we bought it. We could make money during the operations. That was very predictable and consistent. And then when we sold it, we got another chunk of equity, or we could refinance it and go use that chunk to go buy more properties. So the differences between the residential side and then going into the multifamily side, it just took everything that we had learned and kind of put it on steroids.
Oh, wow. Wow, steroids. So you alluded to the fact that, there are several ways of making profit when it comes to real estate.
Yes.
To me, it looks as if you're talking about the cash flow of things, as well as the appreciation of things, and probably even the tax chapter of things.
Yes, just the ability to do the depreciation on the assets and accelerated depreciation on all the materials and things that went into a property to really make that tax advantaged income. And we kind of started as a way for my father had sold a ready-mix concrete plant, needed a way to take some equity and turn it into income. So that's where we looked into multifamily. And as we started going, we had other people that saw what we were doing and wanted to get involved. So that led to our first investors that we took into deals. And then performing well for them led to more investors and more projects.